color? Sabihin mo naman.
Meow meow.
Ikaw tanda, ano yung sound mo? Hindi. Sinishare mo pala kay best friend ko. Single din siya. This is one. Siya yung white ni Ma. What's her sound one? Wala ka sa akin! Sige lang, hindi care. Okay. Ikaw naman siya, kasi bigyan mo eh.
Sige. Yung audience ako sasabi ko sino nauna.
First
Ay, si ano
question.
ha? Huwag bias ha? Sino nauna?
For 100 pesos. What is the exact date of the wedding? So, very good. Next question is complete name of the baby.
Complete name of the baby.
Sound na may kasamang action. Complete name of the baby. Charlotte, Joala. Joala, Charlotte, Martinez. Ulitin mo! Joala, Martinez. Joala, Charlotte, Alcaraz, Martinez. Very good.
Tatlo pa yung tanong eh.